Now here is the question for you for this module, and just create the dimensions in same manner for this figure. So I'll just go here in annotation panel, and from here I'll click on this drop down, and first I'll just create linear dimension over here. I'll click here to activate this one, and I'll start from here and up till here. Now you can see here this dimension is not clearly visible for me. So in this case I'll just delete this one, and I'll just go here in dimension style manager, and from here I just choose that particular style, and then I'll just go here in modify, and I'll just change the text height from here. So right now the text height is 1 unit, so instead of this I'll just go here for 4 unit for example, and I'll press tab key. Now I'll just go here in symbol and arrows, and for arrow size I'll just choose 4 unit as well, and then I'll just press OK. Then I'll just choose this style, then I'll just click on this set current option, and I'll close this one. Now again I'll go here in linear option, and I'll just choose the dimension over here. Okay, I'll start from here and I'll end up it over here. Now this is clearly visible for me. Now let's create a dimension for this as well. I'll go here, I'll click on this drop down, and the next option here is align. So I'll start from here and I'll put it over here, and you can see it is going to create it over here. Now the next option here will be, we have just angular option as well. We can just find angle, so I'll click over here to activate this one. Now I want to just find out the angle of this, so I'll just select both of these, and this is the angle. Now the next we'll just find out this arc length as well. I'll go here with arc length option. I'll just click over here, and you can see the arc length over here as well. Now let me just go here, and I'll just find out the radius of this circle as well from here. So I'll click over here to just find out the radius, and for dia I'll just go here in dia option, and I can just find out the dia as well.